You know, we're in a seaplane, so we gotta make sure we have life jackets on. We're gonna be landing on the water, you know?
Yo, this is insane. What a spot to drop a trap, huh? I'm flying a plane! Oh my god!
Big old squid. Got our flotation? Marked up from alligators. Oh! What is going on, Cuffros? Welcome back to another video. This right here is something you've definitely never seen before because I haven't seen it on YouTube. We are taking out my buddy Herbie's Seaplane right here. This thing is so cool. For those of you who are unfamiliar, it is a plane that takes off and lands in the water and on land. Is that awesome or what? Today's video is we are catching fish in a fish trap out of a seaplane. So we're gonna take this plane over this area, look around, find a good spot to drop the trap, and then proceed to drop into the water, drop the trap, and hopefully catch some fish. This is gonna be an epic video. Make sure to stay tuned, stick along, and I'm gonna swing it over to my buddy Herbie now. This is my buddy Herbie. He's an absolute stud of a pilot. How old are you, Herbie?
I'm 21 years old.
21 years old, and he's been flying for how many years?
Going on my 5th year right now.
Plane over here, this is called the gyro. Really interesting stuff in this garage, but this is what we're taking out today, the Seaplane. And what kind of plane is this?
This is a Sea Ray, has a Rotax 914 with a bad boy turbo on it, 115 horsepower. We're gonna take it up there, and the fish trap is going over there.
Somewhere in the water. Look at the sheer girth on the rear end of this thing. That is nice.
Give it a little slap on the butt.
Yeah, I had to. Let's get on the water. I didn't think I was gonna be able to do it. You know, we're in a seaplane, so we gotta make sure we have life jackets on. We're gonna be landing on the water, you know? Oh, thanks, man.
Alright, so now everything that you're saying into here, the GoPro, that me and you say, the GoPro can hear it.
I can't hear you. Oh, I hear you now.
Good?
Yep.
Like, you hear me good?
Yeah, I hear you good.
Like, really good?
Like, really, really good, yeah. I don't really need to move my feet, right? Because I ain't flying it.
No.
Gotcha.
The only thing you want to make sure of is that I have full deflection of the stick.
We're about to literally enter the water. Here we go. Yo, that is so crazy. Water's right there.
If you go to the right, you'll see the wheels coming up.
Check landing gear.
Oh, I'm on a freaking boat plane. You're zooming. We are so high up in the air right now, I probably could not look down, to be honest with you. Oh my goodness. For a moment, we're in the water, and then 2 moments later, we're out the water.
There's a big alligator right there.
Oh yeah, wow. We got some marsh up here, huh?
Oh yeah, call this the playground.
This is crazy. Yo, this is insane. What a spot to drop a trap, huh? We're in the marsh. Yeah!
Look right there, all the deer in the field.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that big ass buck. Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, dude, look at all the deer.
This is why I need a good camera to come up here though, bro, because imagine the wildlife you can film doing this.
Deer just chilling in these fields.
I think that means we should just get closer to them.
Yeah, I think so.
You think so?
Yeah.
Alright. Dude, this is one of the safest airplanes you could possibly be in. And the reason why I'm saying that right now is because in this airplane, if we were to lose an engine, we could just land with the wheels up and we kind of just land like a sled would be on the grass. So there's not a big deal about it. And if we also lost an engine over water, we're already a boat. We just land in the water like a boat. It makes total sense.
It's very, very
If you live in Florida, this is one of the safest airplanes you could have.
So cool, bro. We are way up here right now.
Grab with your right hand.
My right hand.
Grab with your right hand the stick, and just give me a nice shallow turn to the right.
Holy
And then give it a little bit of back pressure. Little bit of back pressure.
I'm flying a plane! Oh my god! I did not know this was gonna happen today! This is crazy, dude. I just turned a plane for the first time in my life and it's all documented. That's amazing. All right, back to it, Herb. I don't want to kill us.
Alright, so once we get over these big power lines right here, then we'll set the traps.
Dude, what in the heck? That was so crazy. And we have officially landed on water. So smooth too.
You need to throw a trap in right here. That's gonna go insane. We're gonna catch so many fish here. Nobody understands. Like, this is just like a little piece of Florida that nobody knows about, and it's so awesome because I grew up on this canal.
All right. We gotta bait our trap. How else are we gonna catch fish without bait to make them want to go in? Redfin. Big old squid. All right, our trap is fully baited. We're ready to go. Got our flotation. Money executed perfectly. Oh boy. We got some rain coming, fellas, so we might actually have to come and pick up the trap in a different whip.
Trap is in the water. We're taking off again. This is crazy, bro. There he is.
That's such a beautiful shot. Alright, now we'll come back in and land.
Hey Paul, how you liking that?
Push this button to talk to him.
It is actually insane.
Good.
It's so sick.
You're talking to my dad. He's got a one on the ground that he's
you're
talking
one
to
on the
us on.
ground. Crazy.
It's gonna be the smoothest landing you've ever had.
Oh, we're whipping it right now.
And that is how you drop a fish trap out of a plane. Oh, do we Yo, we actually slayed him. All right, we absolutely loaded up. There's all sorts of fish in here. 1 second. Let's pop this open. Dude, this is all different. Look at this. These spotted tilapia looking things right here inside the trap. Blue tilapia, so just literally your normal tilapia that we always catch. And then also, dude, there's a freaking pleco. Got a little baby pleco. Oh, he's sick. Put that thing in your fish tank. Some sort of water mud dog. I don't know. Mayan cichlid right here. And yeah, wow, we absolutely slayed them out of the plane. Out of the plane, fellas. All right. And we got gators literally right there. Big old gators. The whole buoy is marked up from alligators. So alligators are playing with it. You see the teeth marks? Look at that. How crazy. Alligators are having fun with our little buoy while our trap was right down beneath. Coon, hog, pink pig is in the house. All of our beautiful ducks are outside of their house. They're coming up to me thinking I'm feeding them. You guys already ate 3 times today. For those of you who are curious, word on Gary, the goose, have not heard a single thing. It's crazy to me that a white Chinese goose is still roaming around the neighborhood, if it's roaming around the neighborhood. No words though. I have flyers out everywhere at the main like plazas and stuff. Nothing. Haven't heard anything. It's unfortunate, but that's seriously all I could do. So just fingers crossed still. No sign of Gary as of right now. There's a bunch of conspiracies down in the comments of that video, what may have happened to Gary or what people think, and just read the comments and you'll see exactly what my opinion is too. We have all the pigs over here as well though. This enclosure is just so nice right now. After the storm, everything is dried up and it has just cooled off. It is like 78 degrees right now, just beautiful outside. And The farm is fantastic. We have Lady May and Mango all snuggled up in their house. All the houses just got sprayed for mosquitoes today because after that storm, there was obviously really bad flooding. All these enclosures were flooded and the mosquitoes just went crazy. Larvae was really bad. So all the house got sprayed today. As you can see, the goats are also out right now. Hi, Emmy. You want your head scratched? All right. Cool. And of course we have Boots next to King over here. Little baby. The enclosure looks absolutely amazing. He's got the grass cut today. I did want to show all the animals before I closed off this video. Big shout out to Herbie, my friend Herbie Lewis, for taking me on the plane today. He's a very experienced pilot, as you guys saw, and it was one heck of an experience and video to film for you guys to watch. If you want to go check out Herbie's channel, he literally just started a YouTube channel, so Herbie's channel is right down in the description down below. Show him the power of the Cuffaros and go subscribe to it. He's going to start making videos over there, and he's got so much to show you guys. Very cool stuff, and I just wanted to say a big shout out to Herbie. Thank you so much, Herbie. Subscribe to this channel if you are new. Make sure to smash that like button for more crazy videos like this, and I will see you right back here in the next video. Peace!